Welcome to Ready Physics. An object 5 centimeters in length is placed at a distance of 20 centimeters in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeters. So we are having a convex mirror here. So this is a silver coating. And we are having a principal axis also like this. What we are going to do more here, we are going to place an object of 5 centimeters in length is placed in a distance of 20 centimeters. So at a distance of 20 centimeters from the convex mirror. So from the convex mirror, we are going to place an object at a distance of 20 centimeters. So the object distance they given that, let me take this is an object. So AB like this. So object distance they given. So from here to pole, right? So this is 20 centimeters. This is the object distance, which we can call it as U also, no issues. Okay. Now what they given more? The object of 5 centimeters in length. So and they given the object height also. This is 5 centimeters, right? So height of the object, which is nothing but 5 centimeters. This is also they given. And what they given? The radius of curvature is 30 centimeters. Radius of curvature means what? This is a sphere, right? We can fold like this. So here we are having the radius of curvature, which is 30 centimeters like this. So if the radius of curvature means the center, which is nothing but 2f, focus of multiplication, 2 times of focus, is 30 centimeters, means then focus is how much more? Focus is 2f is 30 centimeters, then f is equal to how much? 15 centimeters. Then we know the focal length also. From pole to the focus is 15 centimeters. This one also we came to know. So we know the focal length, which is 15 centimeters from this formula. And we know the object distance and we know the height also. Find the position of the image. Means what they are asking, V he is asking. Position of the object he is asking, V, which is V. And its nature and size also he is asking. Okay. First more, see clearly from the pole, whatever this side is positive. Okay, right side positive, left side negative. Simple and plain if you want to remember. So pole, take it as an origin, draw. Okay. X-axis, y-axis, x-axis, draw here like this. So this is positive x, right? And this is negative x. This is plus y and this is minus y. Correct? So the positive x-axis are plus. The same way positive y plus, right? Same way here. Here height is measuring in positive y. Correct, right? Height is measuring positive y. So this is plus 5 centimeters. Got it? So if you see the focus, the focal length, here we are measuring positive x, which is plus. Okay, but the object distance we are measuring like this, in this direction. The object distance we are measuring in this direction, So, which is minus. So what we are having now? So we know that the object distance, comma U is equal to how much more? 20 or minus 20? Minus 20 centimeters, because it is in this direction. So this is a pole, negative x-axis. Okay. In the same way, object height, how much they given, raw? Object height, how much they given? H is equal to 5 plus 5 centimeters or minus 5 centimeters? Plus 5 centimeters. Why? Because it is in positive y-axis. We are measuring like this, positive y-axis. And radius of curvature. Radius of curvature, we can take it as 2f also, no issues. So, which is how much they given, ma? 30 centimeters. So if the radius of curvature is 2f, which is 30 means, then what about focal length? Okay, radius of curvature is equal to 2f is equal to 30 centimeters, which is nothing but 2 times of focal length, correct? 2 times of focal length is equal to 30 centimeters. 2f means 2 times of focal length is equal to 30 centimeters. Then focal length is equal to how much? F is equal to how much, ra? Focal length. Okay, is equal to how much? 2 into focal length is 30. Then focal length is equal to 15 centimeters. Now we came to know F also. Okay. Like this, right? Small f. Okay. So we came to know F also. F is how much here? 15 centimeters. Got it? So now what we need to find, ma? We need to find V only. So we know focal length. We know object distance. Easily we can find a V, right? By using mirror formula. So by using mirror formula, what is the mirror formula here? Mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is the mirror formula. So 1 by f, we need to find v, right? So this one keep one side, remaining everything bring other side. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. So this plus I am going to bring this side, minus will happen. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. F is positive or negative? Go here and see. F is what? Positive, because this side, right side, positive only. So plus 15. So 1 by 15 minus 1 by u. U is minus, right? Minus 20. So already minus is there, and again we are going to keep minus here. So minus into minus, how much more? Plus. Now take LCM, ra. 15, 20. LCM is 60. So 15 4s are 60 and 23s are 60. So 4 plus 3. So 7 by 60 is 1 by v. Okay. Then what about v more? Then v is equal to 60 by 7, which is nothing but how much more? 60 by 7 indicates. So 60 by 7 indicates that we are having here 8.57. Okay. This is what? 8.57 centimeters, because everything is in centimeters. So now we got image distance also, which is 8.57 centimeters. Okay. Now we need to find its nature and size. So if you want to find the nature and size, we need to find the magnification. So the magnification, comma, m is given as image distance minus of image distance by object distance. Minus of image distance by object distance. So minus of 8.57 divided by minus 20. Okay. So which is equal to 0.428. This is magnification. Okay. So this here, the magnification is plus. The positive indicates that the image is virtual and erect. So virtual and erect. Now and they asked that nature of the image and size also. So we need to find the size also. So again we are going to take magnification, comma, m is equal to height of your image divided by height of object. Okay, height of image divided by height of object. But we got the magnification, which is 0.428, that is equal to height of the image divided by height of the object. But we know that the height of the object, which is they already given here, height of the object is 5 centimeters. So height of the image is equal to 0.428 into 5, which is equal to 2.14 centimeters more. So this is the height of the image. So we find that the height of the image or size of the image and the nature of the image is, which is virtual and erect. And if you see here, the height of the image is 5 centimeters. So height of the object is 5 centimeters, where the height of the image is 2.14 centimeters. That means what more? Size is decreased or diminished. Size is diminished. Thank you for watching.